Your motorcycle is tend to get dirty no matter how hard you try to protect it against the external environment. Now, in order to keep your motorcycle clean, you usually go for a water wash, which is not only bad for your motorcycle if you do it often, but also it welcomes lot of rust. So now, how to go from this to this without any water wash and also keeping your motorcycle in check to prevent more rust formation. Starting with the disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I was researching about multiple waterless car wash kits and I ended up with a brand called as Wavex. Along with the waterless car wash kit, I also ordered a matte finish protectant from the same brand. Now before getting into what is there in this kit, let's keep it aside and let's look into the matte finish protectant first. This is how it was shipped and this comes with a basic plastic cover. And this protectant includes a spray gun along with the bottle of protectant itself. Opening the cover and looking at the spray gun itself, it seems to have a pretty good quality. Also, it has multiple spray modes like stream, spray and off, which you can switch by just rotating the nozzle. Now looking at the protectant itself, you can see the basic details for this on the bottle itself. As mentioned, this is specifically only for matte finish, and if your matte paint is already turned glossy, it cannot restore it. Now let's open the protective seal. Opening the bottle, you get a one final bottle cap which we need to pull out before inserting the nozzle. Now let's install the nozzle gun and tighten it in place. Once this is done, your matte finish protectant is ready to spray. Here are the key highlights which has written zero wax and silicone, which obviously will add gloss to the paint. And the application is very simple, just spray it and wipe it off. And it keeps all the matte finish as matte as possible. And the best part is, this works on all the matte paints and also PPFs or wraps. Now let's keep this aside and let's have a look at the waterless car wash kit that we purchased. Now this kit seems to have a pretty good rating on Amazon and this is for the first time I'm gonna try this out. On the box, you see the Wavex branding and the basic details on what does this kit do. Now let's open the plastic covering and let's have a look on what the kit offers. Cutting open the final seal, let's open the box and have a look. Alright, we have a lot of stuff inside the kit. Starting with this empty bottle which we can use to mix the concentrate and water. This bottle seems to have a pretty good quality. Next, we get this plastic tube which is to be attached onto the nozzle gun. Something like that. Next, we get a measuring cup to measure the amount of concentrate liquid which we need to use. This has ratings from 10 ml all the way to 30 ml. Now next, we get this waterless wash concentrate kit which we'll be looking at in a moment. And finally, we get a microfiber cloth to use this product and wipe off all the dirt and grime out of the motorcycle or car which we intend to use. And that's all is there included in the box. Now looking at the concentrate bottle itself, there's basic information again mentioned on the bottle. And reading the instructions, it has clearly given that we need to use 5 ml of concentrate to every 500 ml of water. This means you are diluting this concentrate 100 times with water. And later is just a matter of spraying it down and cleaning with microfiber cloth. Now let's open the plastic wrap. Just like how we had with the matte finish protectant, we have an opening cap followed by a single fit cap which we need to pull out. Now using the measuring cup provided, I'm taking 5 ml of concentrate here. Now pouring the concentrate into the bottle that has been provided and fill the complete bottle with water. Now we can install the spray gun which is already provided in the kit. With this, the waterless wash and the protectant spray is ready for its function. Now let's get to the motorcycle. Start spraying the waterless wash liquid all over your motorcycle or car which you have intended to use. Making sure you cover all the dirt and grime and soak completely using this waterless wash chemical solution. Don't forget to focus this chemical on all the nooks and corners of your bike or car. I'll fast forward this process. You can watch and enjoy. Once your motorcycle or car is completely soaked and still it being wet, use the microfiber cloth provided or any other clean microfiber cloth to wipe the dirt and grime completely. If your motorcycle or car has a lot of dirt and grime, Make sure that you run the microfiber only one direction instead of random or circular motion. Let's look at the final result. Once the water or waterless wash is done, the final step is to protect your paint. Now since my Dominar has a matte paint, I'm going to use this matte finish protectant from Wavex. Now using this product is pretty straightforward. Just paint everywhere on the matte surface and after a couple of seconds, just wipe dry it. And it's as simple as that. Setting the nozzle to the spray mode, let's spray the protectant onto the matte finish of the Dominar. Once this is done, use a clean and dry microfiber cloth to wipe everything down. You can see the protectant drying out and slowly the paint, which is looking glossy, is slowly turning out to be matte. You can notice the reflection slowly getting faded away. Now let's see the final results after using the matte protectant spray. And that's it, folks. Since we have used a waterless kit, you can see we have this much amount of solution left out even after using it entirely on Dominar. Once the waterless wash is done, we have used matte finish protectant on Dominar and you can see the results by yourself. And this one deserves a thumbs up. Now, if any one of you are interested to purchase, the link for which will be given in the description below. And if you people like this channel and if you find this video informative enough, please do consider subscribing to Akionics and follow me on Instagram for more such interesting content.